Are you ready to take your accounting skills to the next level? At TaxCare Academy, our QuickBooks training courses are here to help you master practical accounting skills and confidently manage finances like a pro. QuickBooks Level 1 Basic Training. Our courses are designed for everyone, from beginners to advanced professionals. Let's dive into what each level offers. QuickBooks Level 1 is perfect for beginners. Whether you're a small business owner, university student, or newly qualified bookkeeper, this course lays the foundation. You'll learn to customize QuickBooks to your needs, navigate the chart of accounts, create invoices and process credit notes, perform bank reconciliations and generate essential reports like profit and loss and balance sheets. QuickBooks Level 2 Intermediate Training. Step up your skills with QuickBooks Level 2. Designed for those with some QuickBooks experience, this course covers journal entries and adjustments, managing cash sales and customizing settings for unique business needs, advanced bank reconciliation and automation, creating detailed reports for profit and loss, balance sheets, and inventory. QuickBooks Level 3 Advanced Professional Training. Finally, Level 3 is for those seeking professional-level expertise. Learn how to handle complex transactions and stock valuations, manage fixed assets, prepayments, accruals, and bad debts, customize year-end adjustments and tailor reports for specific needs. Wherever you are in your accounting journey, TaxCare Academy has a QuickBooks course for you. Begin with Level 1, build on your skills with Level 2, and master advanced techniques with Level 3. Ready to enhance your career? Enroll today at taxcareacademy.co.uk and start your journey to accounting mastery.